We'll guide you through how to find the best plugins for DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once it's up and running, you need to navigate to the Fusion tab, which you'll find at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can explore a wide range of effects and plugins. Now, go over to the top menu and click on Effects Library. This will open up a panel on the left where you can see all the available effects and plugins. Scroll through the categories to get a sense of what's available. To find additional plugins, you can visit the official Blackmagic Design website. They often feature third-party plugins that are compatible with DaVinci Resolve. Head over to their support section and look for certified solutions or third-party plugins. This is where you can find plugins that are officially supported and optimized for DaVinci Resolve. Another great resource is the DaVinci Resolve users community forums and Reddit threads. Here, you can find recommendations from other users about the best plugins to enhance your editing workflow. Once you find a plugin you want, make sure to download it from a reputable source. After downloading, you usually need to install it by following the plugin's specific installation instructions, which often involve placing the plugin file into a designated folder within the DaVinci Resolve directory. Open DaVinci Resolve again and go to the Effects Library to see if the new plugin appears. You may need to restart the software for some plugins to take effect. Don't forget to test out the plugin on a sample project to see how it performs. If any issues arise, checking the plugin's documentation or reaching out to the developer's support can be helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.